Question 14c. The ticket price for an adult is £35. The ticket price for a child is 15% less than it is for an adult. Work out the amount of money the theme park will receive from ticket sales over this weekend. Okay, so the ticket price for an adult is £35. The ticket price for a child is 15% less. Okay, so I'm going to use my bar model. Alright, this is £35 and this is 100%. Okay, so if a child ticket is 15% less, so this is 15%. So what is going to be here on the left hand side? So 100% take away 15% gives me 85%. So I can start writing an equation. 100% equals £35. Alright, I can get to 1%. I just divide by 100. And then I can get to 85%. Times by 85 times this by 85. So I'm going to do 35 divided by 100 gives me 0.35. Then I times that by 85 gives me 29.75. Okay, so that's my child price. I've got that. So I've got that. Work out the amount of money the theme park will receive from ticket sales over this weekend. So I now need to find out how many adults there are and how many children there are. So I go back to my table. So the adults, I add these two numbers together. So I've got here 357 plus 330 gives me 687. And then I've got the other one, which is 493 plus 420. That gives me 913. Okay, so I'm going to use those numbers in my working out. So adults, I have 687 times by 35 gives me an answer. I've got children 913 times by my new price 29.75, and that will give me an answer, and then I will add them together to get my total. So let me use my calculator. 687 times 35 gives me 24045, and my other one is 913 times 29.75 gives me 27161.75. And then I add these two together. So I'm going to write these out. 24045 plus 27161.75 equals. So I've got that number already on the calculator, 27161.75. So I just add 24045. Gives me 51206. 29.75. And I can write this more clearly on here, 51206.75. Let me double check that I've answered the question by reading all the information. The ticket price for an adult is £35. The ticket price for a child is 15% less than it is for an adult, which is what I have here. 29.75 is less than 35, so that's another kind of common sense approach. Work out the amount of money the theme park will receive from ticket sales. So ticket sales, I've got my adults, 687 times by £35. I've got my children, 913 times 29.75. Then I add these together and I've got my final answer.